October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and every Friday is Pink Friday. PBCJ, the People's Station, salutes survivors and joins the movement to raise awareness about the impact of breast cancer. Sandra Samuels, president of Jamaica Reach to Recovery, is a 25-year cancer survivor.
Treatment is not affordable for the majority of the women in Jamaica. Some can, but the majority can't. Cancer treatment is very expensive. Breast cancer treatment is extremely expensive. I mean, radiation can run you $3 million if you're going to go private. And, chemotherapy can run you several millions as well. Now, a lot of the women have to go public, to the public system. And you only have, you don't have many of the public hospitals that have breast clinics. You have Cornwall Regional, and you have the KPH, and you have UA, that is semi-private. Now, a lot of these women have to be choosing between feeding their families and doing treatment, because as you know, in Jamaica, most of the households are led by women. So when the woman is affected by breast cancer, the whole family suffers.
Breast cancer. Remember, early detection saves lives.